Well, I was doing some math on making a gate, and I figured it was going to cost me about 90 bucks to make a 5 by 3.5 gate. Seeing how I ran out of scrap top rail, I was going to have to buy some. This kit here was 110 bucks, and it is a 5 by 72 gate kit. Allegedly, all the hardware is included, including the gate side of the hinges. There you go. That stuff is included. So I'm gonna take it out of the box, see if I can put it together, and see how hard this is. Alright, so here's everything that comes in the box. You get a top and bottom rail, a couple of chain link fence holder bar thingies, left and right sides, a fair amount of hardware to put it all together. It does have the hinge post portion of it, and a latchy thing, and about 5 feet of fence. Mine had this one extra little stray in there. Not sure if that fell off or if that's just a spare. Couldn't tell you. And we got some instructions which I'll start reading to figure this bugger out. Alright, first couple steps are super basic. Basically just put all the pieces together. They are labeled. Say down here, top hinge side, the other one says bottom latch side. And then you just run this cable from corner to corner with the included hardware, and we'll see what the next step looks like. This thing is a stupid simple to put together. I've been at it maybe 15 minutes. After you make the frame, you slide your little rod on the end of the fence, you stretch it, you clip it on one side, you stretch it, you clip it on the other side. A couple little untanglings to do, but so far this thing's a breeze. Alright, I've got the bottom section of the wires on. I know there's no way I'm going to be able to film this while I'm doing it, at least not very well. So basically you take your little thingy, you go through both the loops, you wrap it around, and I apologize, I'm doing this one-handed. Go through there, and then curl it around this thing until it's tight, and pinch that little hook area tight. That's what the done ones look like, if you can even see it. But regardless, this whole project is simple. I'm recommending this kit. Alright, it gets assembled, everything except for the mounting hardware. And I need to dig a hole and plant a post before I really do that. True dimensions, 67.5 wide by 58 tall. It's allegedly 5 by 6 with hardware. That's probably about right. But just in case you need the true dimensions, 67.5 wide, 58 tall. Project is a breeze to put together. I've been maybe 20 minutes to a half hour on this. I've never done one of these before, and it was simple. Fit right gate kit, 110 bucks at Lowe's. If you want it smaller, I guess you got to cut bars, but I'm cool with full size. So I would say if this is going to be a review, I would recommend this thing. Save time, and it was only maybe 10-15 bucks more than if I tried to do it myself. All right, have a good one.